In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove files from a workspace in Google Drive. If you use Workspaces to keep related files together for a project or a sprint, this quick cleanup task helps you stay focused on what matters now without permanently deleting anything. First, a quick note on what a workspace is. Think of it as a personalized view that gathers files from across your drive into one place. Removing a file from a workspace does not delete the file from Google Drive, change its location, or affect sharing permissions. It simply takes the file out of that curated view so you can streamline what you see while you work. Start by looking at the left-hand navigation panel in Google Drive. Click the Workspaces tab to open your list of workspaces. This brings up the Workspaces view, where you'll see the collections you've created to organize your ongoing tasks and priorities. Choose the specific workspace that contains the file you want to remove. Opening it will display all the files currently associated with that workspace. Next, find the file you want to remove in the list. Move your mouse over the files row. As you hover over it, look to the right side of that row for the 3 vertical dots icon, often labeled More Options. It may not be visible until you hover, so make sure your cursor is on the file entry rather than somewhere else on the page. Click the 3 vertical dots to open the context menu for that file within the workspace. From the menu that appears, select Remove from Workspace. As soon as you do this, the file will disappear from the workspace list. Again, you haven't deleted the file or changed who can access it, you've only removed it from this particular workspace view. This is a great way to keep a workspace lean as tasks are completed or priorities shift. If you ever clear something out by mistake, don't worry. The file still lives in its original location in Drive, and you can always add it back to a workspace later. Also, keep in mind that removing a file from one workspace doesn't affect any other workspaces you might have, and it doesn't notify collaborators. Workspaces are a personal organization tool designed to help you work smarter and faster. That's all there is to it. Click Workspaces, open the workspace, hover to reveal the 3 dots, choose Remove from Workspace, and you're done. Thanks for watching and happy organizing in Google Drive.